Anong take nyo sa mga taong jowang-jowa pero wala naman ginagawa?
Para sa akin, enjoy your life lang.
Siguro wag sila umasa masyado kasi kailangan talaga mag-effort ka ganun.
Kung talagang seryoso ka talaga dun sa jowa, make a move.
They don't, the person that you like doesn't deserve you because you're not doing anything about it. Yeah, so just if you're not doing anything about it, just go away.
May na-experience ka na, no?
Hindi, wala.
Ha?
Wala pa naman.
Hindi, actually, di ako nanliligaw.
Ano yun?
May mga tao po talaga na just wanna have fun po muna kasi they want to enjoy their youth.
Parang nasa feeling lang siya ng loneliness and hindi naman talaga siya, hindi naman talaga siya yung kailangan ko. Ay lang yung feeling ko at that moment.
Kasi hindi mo naman mapupuno yung baso kung hindi mo iigiban.
Meron kasing jowa pero introvert, like mahihain. And then merong jowa na medyo makapal yung mukha.
Pero walang ginagawa, walang point. Kasi you have to do something.